So today we got the glass bottom boat to Buccoo Reef and Swim. This is in Tobago. Yoo-hoo! I heard the swim's just a little bit in the Nylon Pool. We shall see.
We're going.
We're going. Looks familiar.
It does look familiar. We've been here before.
I know, right? I wonder if the driver's still the same. He was nice, but he didn't take me for ice cream.
No ice cream. We weren't joking. We would have bought his ice cream.
This time I brought extra money to take the whole bus out for ice cream later.
Right?
I like this port better than Trinidad.
This one is better than Trinidad.
But we haven't went shopping in there. I'm not sure what they even have in there.
I know. We'll walk through there.
I like their dancers though.
I do too. And the dancing flower with hummingbirds. Look at the hummingbird.
That was there last week.
I don't think so.
Another bus ride?
Yeah, this one looks pretty popular.
Another bus to a boat. Yeah, this is supposed to be nice.
A lot of folks.
The people last week on the catamaran in St. Lucia said that they did this and it was really fun.
Alright.
They said it was like they saw the boat and they were like, uh-oh. But then it was like a really good day.
Wah, wah, wah.
But it was a good day.
Okay.
We're not sure, maybe when they get back.
Okay.
Thank you! Okay.
Alright. Fishing.
No fishing, Jim.
Let's watch. Wow.
All the boats.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
where we go fishing. Take
Is
a
it?
boat.
It's pretty out here.
It is pretty.
Huh. Look at that big fishing boat.
Yeah.
Look at that little fishing boat. Look at all the fishing boats, Jim!
I know. I'm
We go
jealous.
fishing.
I am so jealous.
I'm gonna stay behind and do the goat racing while Jim goes.
Make some bets.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna race the goat.
Oh. That's whenever you have somebody from the island
and then you
running the camera, and there's Valerie.
No, this is when you find out that I have like a natural gift for goat racing.
Yeah.
And
then you pull a crab out,
and then I have to just move here and do goat racing for the rest of my life.
They'd be like, they'd name a road after you.
Yeah, like instead of Patrick Stewart Lane, it'd be Valerie Chipman.
Yep. Can you show me your goat racing?
You'd hold the leash, right? That's what they said, right? You hold the leash.
Right, you hold the leash.
Run behind it or forward. You try to keep up with the goat.
Yeah,
I don't know which.
I think he was saying the goats know that they have to go, so you have to keep up with the goat.
So I'd have to get a really slow goat or put the roller skates on my feet and like. I curse thee all with rain in the forecast.
I like the boats. I want to
and
take
no
a
one
boat.
will swim because I cannot.
I will take a boat.
Rain.
I will take a boat and run away. I wonder if I can find a crab to take for the crab races.
Cool running.
That's a hotel.
Okay, I'll get you a small boat like that and sell yours. It's a good boat. Ooh, yeah. Careful.
With you this morning at the entrance, you have Ronaldo, your able-bodied lifeguard Terrell, and I'm Sheldon. area of the reef graveyard. Simply because of the weaker corals growing here and the waves rolling in on them on a daily basis.
Get close.
Over state which lies beyond. It used to be a coconut plantation in the early
They're
years.
fishing by hand line.
With the extremely low tide which we experience every year,
Oh man, this is amazing up here. I think we might go over the sandbar. And then the reef over there makes the horseshoe. Goes back around to the point. Oh, this is totally amazing. See any life out here? Pristine waters. Grass. Might see some turtles. Some rays. Oh wow. Turquoise.
We ever did was in on air, and we did one in Belize.
well, we start from in the early days they used to come here. So
The little boat yeah, you came by already. Say hello.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Oh, I need it.
See ya whenever.
Whenever, sometime
Maybe.
on the ship.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe I'll go up there and watch you. Ooh. And that was the last we saw of my husband.
Another day at the office.
I was watching you drift off to sea.
I know, it felt good just floating out there.
Yeah.
So we've made it to the Nylon Pool. Keep our eye out for turtles. Okay. So, I'm off the boat. There's Valerie. I should have got my hat. My head's gonna burn. Oh.
Really nice. Jealous.
I know. It's not like sand.
No.
No.
Is it rough or soft?
It's it's like soft pebbles.
I'll come back next week.
Yeah. Miss Anya. Anna.
Nice.
The water's
The water's looks nice. It looks like really nice, but it looks really shallow.
I'm not gonna. I thought the boat would be worse. The boat's awesome.
boat like this.
I could build a boat like
You
this.
can make a boat. build one?
They made 2 pontoons on the back end, and then they made the bow. That's flat bottom front bow.
Stay tuned for Jim making a boat for us to go somewhere.
Yeah. We'll put the van on it.
Oh my God, we could put that van you keep supposed to be working on.
So Valerie cursed everybody with rain.
I did. I'm sorry.
And now it's raining.
Yeah. I said it.
See, I told you.
I said it was gonna be a downpour, though. It's just not a downpour.
It's raining, though.
No, it's not a downpour, though. It's not a downpour.
Okay. It is nice. Feels good to cool down a little bit.
So,
You tell me when it's a downpour, okay? 'Cause it's raining.
it's raining a little bit. I'd probably be drier up here.
The rains are coming.
He'll come back.
So I'm gonna have to drop him off at his home. See him right there. See him? He's famous now. He's gonna be a YouTube star. We'll call him Frankie the Conch. Alright. Alright, Frankie.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye. Hasta la vista, baby. So we zigzagged through here to get back. That's pretty cool. Wowie. That's so cool. Oh, amazing. Here we are, we're back. I'm not sure how we're going in, but these are all little fishing boats. There's a tour boat. Another tour boat. And you can rent these. The captain said that they do night charters. They go out swimming and they have lights set up so that way they can do a nighttime deal.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, that was fun.
It's pretty good. It's pretty. Whew. Okay. Nothing to buy here. Good excursion.
It was a good excursion.
Would you do it again?
I would.
This is gonna be the review. 1 to 10, yay. Recommend, yeah. Unless you get seasick, then don't do it. Right?
Right.
If you get seasick easy, don't do it. If you don't get seasick, it's good. It's beautiful. The water looked amazing.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and back to the ship. Yay.